Are you a skilled professional wondering if you can fast track your move to Canada? Today's update is important for tech workers, engineers, designers, data professionals, and several in demand specialists. Canada is offering 2-week work permit processing for certain high skilled occupations, and thousands of candidates are missing out simply because they don't know they qualify. Let's break down who can benefit, which NOC codes are eligible, and how the global talent stream actually works. Canada's fastest work permit pathway. Canada's Global Talent Stream, or GTS, is part of the Temporary Foreign Worker Program. It is designed to help highly skilled professionals get to Canada quickly when employers urgently need talent. The biggest advantage? If your occupation is on the GTS eligibility list, your work permit can be processed in as little as 2 weeks, compared to the usual several months. This fast track applies mainly to Category B, which targets 22 specific tech and specialized roles. Eligible occupations under Category B. If your job offer falls under one of these NOC codes, you may qualify for 2-week processing, 20012, 21300, 21310, 21330, 21390, 21311, 21210, 21211, 21220, 21221, 21222, 21233, 21223, 21231, 21230, 21232, 21234, 22310, 22220, 22222, 51120, 52120. These include engineers, software roles, cybersecurity, data roles, and specialized digital media professions. Some of these occupations also fall under Express Entry STEM category-based selection, meaning your Canadian work experience could later help you secure permanent residence. How the GTS work permit process works. It's a simple 2-step pathway. Step 1. Employer applies for an LMIA. Your Canadian employer must submit a labor market impact assessment through the Global Talent Stream. These LMIAs are processed in about 10 business days, much faster than regular LMIA applications. Step 2. You apply for a work permit. Once the LMIA is approved, you submit your work permit application from outside Canada. Make sure you indicate that the LMIA was issued under the GTS category. IRCC will then process your application in around 2 weeks, provided all documents are submitted correctly. Together, both steps significantly shorten the time it takes to start working in Canada. What if your occupation is not on the list? You may still qualify for fast processing under Category A, which is for individuals with unique and specialized talent. To be considered, the job must pay at least $80,000 per year, require advanced, industry-specific knowledge, and require an advanced degree or at least 5 years of specialized experience. This pathway is only available if the employer is referred by an approved GTS partner organization and operates in innovation or fast-growth industries. Conclusion. If you are in tech, engineering, analytics, or digital roles, the Global Talent Stream may be one of the fastest ways to begin working in Canada. And for many candidates, this can also become the stepping stone toward Canadian permanent residence later through Express Entry. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.